Alright guys, we are all loaded up and ready for another day at the track. It's actually a gorgeous day right now, not too hot, not too cold, and it looks like the weather forecast is actually going to be a beauty. We got a ton of rain recently and we were gonna go check out a new track this weekend, but that's not happening. So I'm on my way to meet up with the fan favorite SMITTY and we are hitting the 15. So that's the plan, it's shaping up to be a beauty day. Let's get on with it. Currently just pulled up on the side of the road here. The track is just down that way. We're waiting for the man SMITTY right now. I'm finally here before him for once. The man, the myth, the legend shows up just as we're talking about him. Let's go, dude.
Yo, what's good?
SMITTY.
How are you, bro?
Good, man. You?
Good.
You
Got
ready?
the vlog out, eh?
Dude, we vlogging already,
That's
man.
what's up.
You ready for a day of shredding?
It's gonna be a good day for a day.
Good day for a day. Alright, so that is the plan. Met up with the man SMITTY. We are sending it to the 15. Looks like it's gonna be a beauty day. Ty's ready, and I'm ready for another banger vlog. Let's go! Guys, so the first ride is in the bag. The track is actually pretty mint right now. I was out here chasing Caleb around. How is it, man?
Oh, it's mint. Sorry for the language, but it's mint, man.
Dude, best way to describe it. Only one way to put it.
Mint. Throwing some fatties.
I gotta say, man.
For the boys.
He's mobbing out here.
I'm gonna send it.
YZ 125?
Oh yeah.
I was out there.
CRF 250.
Oh really? You got two. And I'm assuming this is your bad boy too?
Oh yeah, it's clapped, but
it's clapped, man.
mint.
Nothing better than a clapped pit bike, dude.
Oh, yeah,
Appreciate it, thanks for coming by. Go check him out on Instagram. I'll throw it up right here on screen. Alright man, it's time to send it back. I think that is enough footage of the non-jumpers. That practice got really sketchy really quick, and I think the only explanation for that is it is officially grouped up in non-jumpers and jumpers. So I respect it, keeps it safe. The only thing I hate about it is it makes it a struggle for filming. Come out and film. I obviously want to be out there riding with the jumpers, out with the fast guys, and then when I go out to film, it's always the non-jumpers, so...
Just luck of the draw, baby.
Luck of the draw, man. They switched it up on us.
They said, hey, we got the professional photogs going out. We gotta send out the goons.
The goons, dude. I think I got 2 good clips, probably 2 good clips, and then I was like, yo, it is Squid Central. And then it clicked.
I got like 4 pictures of Caleb and 2 of Cooper, and that's it.
That's it, that's all. Goon Central. I gotta say, I respect it, keeps it safe. it's just a struggle for
They're
filming.
the real supporters of the Goon Army, like, let's be honest. Goon Army, Goon Squad, support GoonZig. Let's go.
Can't hate on the goons, man. Back we go, man, at the pit setup. Not sure what we'll get up to, but you guys know. We always figure it out for the vlog.
Saw that? We out here living. We live, baby.
Yo,
You got roosted hard.
Oh yeah, hard. Oh man. That is all for the jumper group. We got the beginners back out there, and hey man, you can't hate, you can't hate. They may get a little sketchy at sometimes, but you gotta start somewhere, so props to all the beginners out here. It honestly turned out to be a beauty day, not too hot, not too cold. The sun is actually, it's trying to come out, but it's pretty cloudy. Feeling pretty beat, so we'll see how much we got left in the tank, and we'll just have fun with the rest of the day. T-SMITTY out here killing it. Man's looking good on the old YZ250.
Buddy, yours is old. Mine's current gen, like we're good.
Gotta say, current gen, you wouldn't even know, man. Ty's bike is years newer than the old Steed. New 2021 two-strokes were just revealed, gotta say. I'm a fan. They're going with like the blue side plate look, kind of like KTM and stuff, so different vibe, but I approve. Obviously the technology or anything, that's not changing, that's not getting any better, but I just want to say if half of those clips had dirt on the lens, it's not my fault, man. It's not my fault I got roosted out there while filming. So hopefully that was a good little vlog segment. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the helmet and take you guys for some laps of the track. I think it's time to do a little bit of a comparison. So we got the man Ty all kitted up with the Dango gripper mount.
Let's go. Give you guys the T-SMITTY view. Gonna get litty like a titty. Woo!
Oh, man's about to send it. So I'm gonna let Ty take you guys on some laps with the Dango view, and you can let me know in the comments below which view you guys like better. Honestly, at this point, I have no idea what I filmed for the vlog, so I thought it would just be something fun to do. And if you guys would want to see a GoPro settings video, let me know in the comments below. I feel like I finally have everything fine-tuned and perfected, so let me know in the comments below if that's something you guys would want to see. T-SMITTY.
Rockers roll, boys! GOONZIG. Getting to go out. Another moto. Might be the last moto of the day. It's gonna be a good one. We're gonna do some battles.
Some battles for the boys.
Get some GoPro clips.
You already know. I gotta say, track is rough.
Yeah. It's getting so
good.
weak.
This guy's really.
Is he? Yeah, this guy in the background's doing. He's like a saw, dude.
Listen, track, I don't know if it handled all of the rain. Like, low key, it's a little clap. Another beauty day, but another busy day.
Yeah.
The 15th.
Not as baked, but it's definitely busy.
Not as big, definitely busy.
Still a good day for a day.
Don't think we can complain about the weather. Let's get it.
Finish it out strong.
Wait up for Smitty. Does the man have it? Or is he sending it into the back of the truck? He's Smitty. Loading the bike. Let's go. What's up, dude? Smitty's packed up. The man is out of here. We got the old steed loaded up in the bad old Lariat, baby. And that's it. We are out. 15 practice track, no more. Done for the day.
Later vlog. It's been another day in the books. 2020 Shred Fest continues. I'm already looking forward to the next ride day. That's all there is to it.
It'll happen, man. It's always a good time.
Hopefully 1 week.
1 week, baby. Always a good time out here at the track with the man Smitty. Go follow him on Smitty Snaps.
Later, boys.
Did we talk about your edit?
No.
You're the man.
Guy fails.
You're the man. Ty's out of here. I'm out of here. Good day for a day.